welcome back channel.
Thank you. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new, and thank you all so crazy much for continuing to stay subscribed until I could start making videos again. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos as much as I am loving making them again and being back on YouTube. Let me know down in the comments, as well as hitting that thumbs up. It really does let me know what you guys are liking. I've also started a Patreon page, which is over in my description under the About category on my YouTube channel. Also, if you guys are new, I would love for y'all to subscribe and join me and my YouTube family. So while the dishwasher runs, I'm going to take care of a little concoction that I'm making for my thrush. One of the things that I've been dealing with my postpartum recovery is a whole bunch of breast infections. So I had mastitis and just got off of some antibiotics for that, and so that is healing up. Now I'm working on thrush, and I'm doing a home remedy for that, and that's Epsom salt water. And I will use this little tiny container that I'll show you, which is supposed to catch breast milk, and I will use that to wear and soak my breast for a couple of hours each day, and I will be doing this for 3 weeks, and hopefully that'll make the thrush go away without medical attention. So while my Epsom salt water mixture cools down, I'm going to make my first cup of coffee for the day. And that is going to be used with this dairy-free creamer because Aloria can't handle dairy. And seriously guys, this is one of the hardest things ever because I can't eat cheese or drink milk. But anyways, it is like 2 in the afternoon. So I'm going to have my first cup of coffee and kind of chill out for a little bit before hopefully getting some more work done during this day. It's the next day, and I did not get any more cleaning done yesterday, but I did cut all of Caden's hair off because he said he was tired of Aloria pulling on it, and did she ever get some good grips to pull on his little hairs. So now what I'm going to do is take her cloth diapers and a couple of other things to set up the cell, because I decided I really didn't want to do cloth diapers this time around. Now I'm going to go through the diaper supplies and separate out the ones that are badly stained so that I don't sell those, and I will recycle them in the form of cleaning cloths so that they don't get wasted. And the ones that I can't use like that, I've actually taken to a shelter for dogs, and they're going to use all of them for what they need them for. That's one of the things that I like to do, is actually, if I can't use it, try to find some place that can, and I've discovered that most of those places are shelters for animals. I live in Texas, and our winters do not really get that cold, like the low 30s, just below freezing for maybe a week or two here. And I had asked for Aloria, since she was going to be born in the winter, these really warm, almost like wool kind of swaddles and bodysuits. And after she was born, I was like, what am I doing asking for these really warm things? Because it just doesn't get that cold here. And then we had the giant freeze, which actually shut our stay down for like a week. And it was pretty much the only thing I could use to keep her warm, because they are so, well, warm and thick. Something that I would never use on a normal winter ended up being perfect. And sometimes stuff just works out that way, and I felt really happy that I had actually asked for these and listened to my instincts, and blessed that people had gotten them for me. And I was actually really glad that it was so cold so I could use them, and didn't feel bad about asking for something that under normal circumstances I would never ever use for a baby in winter at Texas. Going through all of these clothes really started to pull at my heartstrings because A, Lori is growing up so fast and she will obviously never be that small again. And B, we really are done with me being pregnant. So if we have any more kids, it won't be because I am pregnant. And we probably won't have any more babies, period. So I was really actually kind of tearing up, and you couldn't see it here on this camera. And so I was actually focusing really hard on these socks and scratch pads and trying to go back and forth on whether or not I wanted to keep any, if they could still fit her, and if I want to keep them for sentimental reasons. And I am just not that kind of person. I don't keep clothes for sentimental reasons, but I was going completely crazy and just, oh my gosh, my emotions were driving me nuts because I'm just not really that kind of person. So then I was focusing on putting everything out by categorizing it. So here I have categories in each month and the swaddles, just so I could kind of chill out with my emotions. And I was really glad that the camera did not have my face because I really was kind of just bawling while I was going through this. It was kind of ridiculous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments what you kind of think of the different take that I'm doing with these videos where they're not 100% cleaning. And like and subscribe if y'all are new. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.